The Ordinary did it again. They drop a new kind of lip exfoliant, and guess what? No scrubs, no grains, and it looks and feels just like a serum. I've been trying out this little bottle right here, the Ordinary PHA 5% Exfoliating Lip Serum. It promises to gently exfoliate your lips, smooth out dry flakes, plumps and hydrate the lips, and some are even saying that this helps brighten dark or dull lips. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what makes this product special, how to use it, my honest experience after testing it, and hopefully by the end, you'll know if this product is worth adding to your routine or not. So let's start with what this product actually is. So The Ordinary just released this PHA 5% exfoliating lip serum in a tiny 15 ml bottle. It looks pretty simple like most of their products, but don't underestimate it. This is designed to chemically exfoliate your lips without all the harsh scrubbing. This retails for about $10 to $13 USD, depending where you get it, like either on DCM, Sephora, Ulta, or their official website. So yes, it's budget-friendly like most of the Ordinary's lineup. Now, what's inside this lip exfoliant is really what makes it interesting. It uses 5% PHA or gluconolactone, which is a very gentle exfoliant. And unlike AHAs or BHAs that can be too strong, PHA has a larger molecule size, so it works more on the surface. That means it exfoliates without stinging or irritating the delicate lip area. And aside from that, it is also formulated with ectwin and glycerin to keep your lips soft and juicy. So basically, this is not just an exfoliant, it's also hydrating. And that's why a lot of people are excited about it. It also has a very interesting color, the pink shade of the Ordinary PHA exfoliating lip serum mainly comes from its formulation base. It's most likely from this solvent and humectant combined with the acidic pH of the formula. So this interaction often creates that soft blush pink hue, not from a dye, but from how light reflects through the serum. But even though it looks pink in the bottle or on your fingertip, it doesn't leave a visible tint on your lips once absorbed. It goes on clear and dries down transparent. Using this is super simple, but there's a right way to get the best results. I like to use it at night after brushing my teeth when my lips are clean and dry. And I just take a small drop from the dropper and then I initially put it on my lips directly, but I find that it's better if I just put a drop on my fingertips and then gently spread it all over my lips. This one really feels like a thin serum. I think I can compare it to like a hyaluronic acid serum. It's not sticky, it's not oily, it's just super lightweight. And you don't have to rinse it off. I just let it sit for a minute or two. Then I follow up with my lip balm. Actually, the first time I use it, I just kept it as is because I thought it was moisturizing enough. But I think the best way to use it is to let it dry for a bit and then use your lip balm or a sleeping lip mask to lock everything in. And if it's your first time using acids on your lips, I suggest starting with 3 times a week the most. You really don't have to overdo it. PHA works gently but effectively. And of course, don't apply it on cracked or wounded or bleeding lips. Also, on the next day, make sure that you put SPF on your lips. That's something a lot of people forget. Because when you exfoliate, even gently, your skin can be more sensitive to the sun. My current favorite lip balm with SPF is this. I'm just going to put the description here on the name of this product, but this is very lightweight. It doesn't have any scent to it. And apparently, BTS loves this brand as well. So now let's talk about what happened when I actually used it. The first night, I started with a crusty upper lip and a little flaking at the bottom lip as well. When I applied this on, it was very comfortable on. There's no tingling. It feels like a serum. Like it's just very hydrating and comfortable. It says to let it dry before putting your lip balm on, but in my experience, it doesn't totally dry. It feels like there's still something on my lips even after an hour. So that's why on the first night, I didn't put any lip balm after because I felt like it was moisturizing enough. Although I think that it's better if you still put on a lip balm on top or your sleeping lip mask on top of this. So just apply this first, leave it for a few minutes, and then apply your lip balm. Oh, and one more thing, avoid getting this inside your mouth. It tastes awful. Like it tastes like, I know, it's like bitter and also very sour. I did it the first time and it was nasty. So the next night when I checked on my lips actually felt softer. And there's also minimal dry spots, especially on my upper lip. So on my second session, I skipped one night, by the way, because I don't think that I need to exfoliate my lips like every night. So by the second session, I noticed a big difference in terms of how smooth my lips are. The lines are also less visible. And I also tried putting my lipstick on, and normally my lipstick would cling onto some dry patches on my lips. And honestly, it glide on super smoothly. And this serum honestly made my lips look healthier. And when I actually glide my fingers on top of my lips, it really feels smoother. When it comes to plumping, based on my experience, I didn't see that plumping effect on my lips. When it comes to brightening, again, this is also a claim that The Ordinary did not say. I didn't find it on their website. In my opinion, I think that it can help brighten dark lips and improve pigmentation over time, but only if darkness is caused by surface level buildup or uneven tone. And here's why. I think that gluconolactone, because it works by gently dissolving dead skin cells on the surface of your lips, when used consistently, I think that it can reveal fresher, more even toned skin underneath, which can make your lips look naturally brighter and healthier. Also, because it has hydrating ingredients like glycerin and ectwin, which also helps prevent that dry, dull look that often exaggerates pigmentation. And unlike scrubs that can make pigmented lips worse by causing micro tears, this serum works gently, so it's better suited for pigmented or sensitive lips. But, and this is important, if your lip darkness is caused by deep hyperpigmentation like hormonal causes, genetics, or long term sun damage, I don't think this would completely remove it. I think that this one can help fade superficial darkness and make your lips look more even, but it's not a bleaching or lightening product for your lips. To really address deep pigmentation, I think that you should pair this with first daily SPF on the lips, also a nourishing lip balm with brightening ingredients like licorice root, vitamin C, or kojic acid if tolerated. Also avoid habits like lip biting, constant licking, or smoking. I think with those steps, I think that you'll see much better results when it comes to lip brightening. But for me, and based on my experience, my realistic results was softer lips and a really smooth texture. Like my lips really felt smooth after those 2 sessions. So is this worth it? For me, yes, 100%. It gently exfoliates without the need to scrub. It hydrates while working. It's very comfortable on, and it smoothened my lips over time. I even added this to my makeup kit because one of the hardest thing for me is finding a product to remove the dryness on my makeup clients' lips. Because if I use a scrub, I feel like it really stays on the lips and I have to wipe and wipe, and I feel like it's actually making the lips worse. It's making it red and irritated. So I find that this really helps when it comes to lip prep. The lipstick applies smoother every time I prime my lips and my clients with this. So I'd give this product a solid 9 out of 10. It does what it claims. I just didn't like the taste. So make sure not to get it in your mouth. If you're someone who deals with dryness, flakiness, or just wants a smoother lip base for your lipstick, I think that this is absolutely worth trying. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this serum or if it's something that you want to add to your routine. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm curious to know. And if you find this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. It would really mean so much to me. I wanted to hit my goal of 30,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So I really need your help in achieving that goal. And I appreciate all of you so much. And thank you so much, dolls, again for watching. And as always, take care of your skin and take care of you. Bye.